This is what you're going to be creating that you're looking at on my screen. At the end of this course, you're going to have a website that looks like this. Now, you can change the images, but the layout, the concept of it is going to be the same. And this is really clean, professional site that people can be able to go to browse your properties. As you can see here, you put your mouse over it, and you can get more information about each property, and you can add different items there, add client stuff, and then you can also incorporate your blog here with it. And then you have some galleries, photo galleries. You click on it, and you just click on the arrow to browse the next one. So as you can see, this makes it very easy for people to go on your site and they can see images, because like they said, a picture is worth 1,000 words is really true, because by having pictures on your site, especially in the real estate business, you want to have professional, clean pictures that really attract. Sometimes people don't, buy certain things because they look at the presentation and they think that because the presentation is not up to par, that the property is not up to par. So you definitely want to make sure that you're including some quality images with it. And then you go to the About Us page, where you can put a little bit of information about your company, so people get to see, who you are and get to know a little more about you. You can put your team. So whether you have a team of 3 or a team of 53, there's something that works great, and you have to frequently ask questions. Because people always have questions, about what you're doing, your process, and how things work. So this is where you're going to put in some of the most commonly asked questions that you've received over the years, and you put this here. Trust me, this is going to save you a lot of time from people asking you a ton of questions. Now, even though people are still going to ask you the same questions, but when you have something like this, you can always refer them back to this, and you can build this as time goes by. If you wanted to add some more questions and answers, you click here, and this is accordion. It just drops down, and they can see the response to that particular question from there. And then we have a testimonial, what people have said about your services, your company. These are really good to have, because it shows that people have some type of trust in what you are doing. So you definitely want to have that up there. And you have the properties, you have the agents here. So people can see those that are part of your team. They can contact them via social media, LinkedIn, Google+, Twitter, and Facebook with a little thumbnail, their name, their position, their phone number, their email, their Skype. So these are all very pertinent information that you want to put for your agents. And then you have your blogs. Blogs are really great for you to connect with your audience. And with this blogs, there are different types. You can add video, you can add audio, you can add tweets, and different things. And let's click on this one here just to show you what it looks like. A beautiful image at the top, and you can write down, you can even incorporate some videos with your blog, and you can add some galleries at the bottom like this. And of course, you have a contact us. If they want to contact you, they can have all that information here, as well as this top section here. So this is the core of what you're going to be creating. And it's going to, take you through step by step. So don't worry if you're not a coder, if you've never coded before, that's okay, because you're going to still be able to create this beautiful website. Okay, let's move on to the next lesson.